A sailboat beached on South Padre Island is drawing a lot of attention.
Yes, it is. Channel 5's Daisy Martinez spoke to state officials today about this sailboat and how state laws protect it.
A storm 5 days ago moving into the Gulf wreaked havoc for a Long Island boater out in the Mo Dang Fun. The turbulent weather left the sailboat sunk on the shores of South Padre Island. The owner had to get off the boat and leave it behind. It's been an unusual attraction for beachgoers here curious to get a look and snap a picture.
Because of the negative conditions currently out there in Brownsville right now, they've been unable to pull it back into the water and tow it to an appropriate location.
Texas General Land Office Press Secretary Brittany X says the owner reported the beached vessel and has been working with authorities to figure out how to get it out. Despite the owner not being on site to guard his property, X says the law protects his property from being stolen.
There is no law that I am aware of that allows people to claim what they deem to be abandoned property, and that might put them at risk for potential legal action as well, because there is a process for identifying something as a derelict structure, and they might be at risk of potentially claiming property that is not theirs to claim.
Billy Cannon, owner of Marine Salvage in Port Isabel, says the process to salvage a stranded or abandoned vessel can be costly and tedious.
But you can't just go and pull it. It's not all water out there, it's sand, so you have to wash that sand away or jet it away or wash it away somehow to finally wash that boat through the sand and back out into the deeper water to float.
Had the boat been abandoned on water or sinking, he adds, the salvage laws change.
Where some people think that's what the law is, that they can just come down and jump on it and claim it. But you can't do that. It doesn't work that way. If you were out in the middle of the Gulf and the boat was about to sink and you got on it and saved it, well, that's a different story. You would be entitled to some salvage award. But
Kennan says it's been about 2 years since a boat has been stranded on South Padre Island. This one, he estimates, could cost about $10,000 and several hours of work to recover. Egg adds the owner has made arrangements for the boat to be dug out on Tuesday. It's unlikely he will face any fines.
This person has self-identified the issue, has shown a good faith effort to working with local authorities and the towing company to deal with the issue in a timely manner. By
state law, boaters have up to 20 days to recover their property. If it takes longer or they refuse to remove the vessel, it could mean a daily fine from $100 to $125,000 per day. Right now, it's not considered a threat to people or the environment. On South Padre Island, Daisy Martinez, Channel 5 News at 6.